This is Dan doing ABC burping. Go on, Dan.
What?
And that's it, he's finished. Well done, Dan. Give us a bye.